You don't lead by noise, you lead by influence. Loud voices don't equal strong leadership. Some of the most impactful leaders are calm, quiet, and consistent. They don't force it, they influence. They guide, inspire, and persuade through integrity and action. Leadership that relies on shouting commands is short-lived, but influence built on respect, empathy, and example lasts forever. Influence is earned, not imposed, and it's the true mark of a leader worth following. My friend, do it hard.